adventures of Bright Coaster Club. For the adventures of Bright Coaster Club.
Seriously, every time I come here, it feels like I'm walking down Buena Vista Street at Disney's California Adventure. Like I always say, this is the Cali, Florida park, but not so much in so many ways. But in so many ways, yes, it is. Well guys, if you didn't figure it out already, I'm here at Disney's Hollywood Studios today. Just felt like coming over here because this is always one of my favorite parks here. And I don't really visit here as much as I should. I always go to Epcot. I mean, you guys see my vlogs, you should know. I love Epcot, love Hollywood Studios. But yeah, it's gonna be about Hollywood Studios today, and maybe I'll go over to Magic Kingdom later. Just depends on how the weather wants to act. So I'm gonna go cruise around, but I think I'm gonna head over to Rock and Roller Coaster because love myself some OG Vekoma and love myself some Aerosmith. Rock on. Totally gonna have to try to get into Hollywood Tower later. I love that ride. So much fun. So much fun. But right now, we're gonna follow the white line and we're gonna go walk around the corner and go to the Rock and Roller Coaster. And just like that, guys, we're here at the Rock and Roller Coaster. Let's go get some Vekoma action, cruise on in, because that's what's totally good. Oh yeah, huge guitar, good tunes playing in the background. Can never go wrong coming over here. Love myself some classic rock, some folk rock, some metal, some death metal, some EDM, and always some ska. Let's go jump on in over there and go get in this queue, because Rock and Roller Coaster is what's good. So last time I actually got to ride this, the lights were on. So it was kind of a cool thing to be able to do that. I mean, it felt like a completely different coaster when I was doing that. It was a lot of fun and just very unique for an already amazing Vekoma right there. Row number 6 is where it's at when you come on the Rock and Roller Coaster, because if you guys don't know, it actually grabs where the catch car is right here at number 6, and you actually get the most G-force pulled when you go to create the multiple, basically the highest speed possible according to Imagineering. So something kind of cool that I learned from row 6. So when you come on Rock and Roller Coaster, you go ride in row 6. Well, I'm back on the street. That was a super fun ride on the awesome Vekoma. So that said, I'm gonna go head around. I think I'm gonna go do some Star Wars. Oh, wait, did I just say that out loud? I know that's not usually what I do, but it just seems like fun today because I don't usually do that. Kind of want to focus on things that I don't always do. I mean, I always ride Rock and Roller Coaster because I love that Vekoma, but you know, I'm gonna go focus on things I don't usually do today, and that's definitely one of them. So let's keep on cruising. Through the tunnel cavern, and here we are into the craziness that is the Star Wars land. You know, I feel like this is like a desert. Really, like, it reminds me of like just a straight up desert over here. I don't know, it's kind of interesting in its own way. So let's go jump on Rise of the Resistance and see what's good. That thing's making babbling noises, like it's breaking down or something.
Standing by.
Network assistance calculated. Affirmative. Then okay. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Network calculated.
All kinds of guys with white helmets. They look very friendly. Maybe we should ask them to go ride Rock and Roller Coaster with us. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool. That thing's huge. Seriously, love that. Definitely a very cool themed room in here for sure. Friendly folks over there hanging out. Everyone's all lined up chilling.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to...
Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Find him. Staffer's copy.
So that was super awesome. You know, Rise of the Resistance. I will say that I am not the biggest Star Wars fan. And, you know, it's kind of just not my thing. But that ride, super fun, super cool, and just always a great adventure. So, yeah, well, that's going to basically be this end of today's adventure to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Because I think I'm going to hop over to Magic Kingdom. I want to go do some stuff at Magic Kingdom today. I feel like I never go there. So I am going to go work my way over there. And I will hit you guys back when I get there.
We used to be solid, not falling apart. Things never not okay when you were mine. You used to be honest, not pulling my heartstrings. Every other day you change your mind. Cause when you're high you call me like I'm lonely. Some kind of little toy for you to wind up when you lying in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like that. Getting busier and busier, so disorientated. First you want me, then you're busy. Girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and running.
So just like that, a few monorail trips later, a little quick drive over here. Yeah, I actually drove over here today instead of taking transportation like I usually do. But yeah, just a few little trips later, we are here at Magic Kingdom. So let's go explore. And there's so much Halloween decorations up. I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys what's good. Scarecrows are super cool. I always love Halloween, especially at the park. It's been a while since I've been to Disney for Halloween stuff, so I'm definitely looking forward to today. It's gonna be awesome either way. Well, they make me walk down the sidewalk because there's a parade coming, so if it gets in my way, hopefully I can capture some of it for you guys today. Oh yeah, castle vibes right there. But I think today, first of all, I am gonna head over. I'm gonna go do some Splash Mountain, so let's go get on over there. Oh, you guys so know I got an ice cream sandwich. His big chocolate ears. One's missing now, I don't know why. And just like that, cruising around Agrabah, of course you find Aladdin and Jasmine just hanging out, having a good time. Just kicking it like two other regular park guests, but VIP status all the way. And so yeah, on my way over to Splash Mountain, I decided to stop off here in Agrabah. Just rode the magic carpets, the flying carpets. It was super fun. I love how you can make them go up and down and all around in a circle. Then, you know, just saw those two VIP guests right there, but like I said, you know, we're gonna keep on cruising and we're gonna go head over and splash down the mountain. Maybe I'll find something else along the way. Don't know yet, but making my way that way. kind of cool. Like I said, you never know what you're gonna run into when you come around here. So I don't usually watch the parade, but that was definitely awesome. So we're just about to get over to Splash and let's go have some fun. And just like that, we found our way over to Splash Mountain. So let's go jump in this line and get ready to go. So this will actually be my first time riding this Splash Mountain. I've ridden the one in California many times, including the year that it opened, which I will always remember. It was really hot that summer. So it's always a good time when you come over here. So I'm definitely really looking forward to this to see how it differs from the one that was in Cali. So let's go get on in. Well, that was super fun. Really love Splash Mountain. Always have, always will. Characters are fun, the theming's fun. America sings, you can't go wrong with that ever. So yeah, you know, like I said, you know, it's they're gonna be changing this over soon. So this is actually, won't be here much longer. So it's probably my last time riding it because it's some of those things that I just don't usually ride, but I felt like doing it today. So it's always a good time. Well, after the awesomeness of Splash Mountain, can't go wrong coming over here to go to Big Thunder. So let's go ride the wildest ride in the wilderness. Seriously, you can't ever go ride with the wrong ride on Big Thunder, ever. It's such a good one. The one here is really good. I really enjoy it here. And you know, it was a rain ride. I haven't had a rain ride in a while, but again, it's Florida. It loves to rain randomly here. If it's not raining, something's definitely wrong. But yeah, that was a super cool fun little trip. So I think I'm gonna keep the coaster action going right now. And I think I'm gonna go over and get some Space Mountain action because nothing like a janky mountain coaster. And yeah, I say janky mountain coaster because it definitely reminds me of a mountain coaster you would find at like a resort or something, like one of the ones that are almost like a little bobsled, just the way it rides and like, yeah, you know. But with that said, let's head over and go venture into space. Just like that, we found our way over to Tomorrowland. Oh, so much fun. Let's go charge on in and have the best time. Oh yeah, Space Mountain time. Literally cruising on up. Let's go get inside. So yeah, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Space Mountain, janky mountain coaster, very much so, but still good in its own way, you know? Still got nothing on the one in Cali. The one in Cali is so good, so much fun. But yeah, you know, I can't go wrong with it. And I really found that what I like about this Space Mountain is the back row. The back row is like pretty rough, but it's a lot better than the front row, which is usually the other way around. So, you know, either way, still a good ride either way. It was kind of cool though on this one because like the lights for the people mover were on, so you're able to see a bunch inside. It almost felt like a lights on ride, which is really kind of cool. Don't know if I just never realized that before or just they were just randomly on today. I don't know. Either way though, that was pretty rad and definitely got to see a little bit of where you go and stuff. So I'm gonna keep on cruising. I think I'm gonna head over and go back to Haunted Mansion over there because it was down earlier, so that's why I didn't do it before I came here. So let's go hang out with some ghosts. Remember, there's always room for one more who wants to volunteer. Well, unfortunately it went down again, so it looks like no Haunted Mansion again today, but that's okay. It is what it is. But I'm gonna actually take off for the day because the sky is getting kind of crazy and I just don't feel like hanging out in the thunderstorm today. Because why not? I was in one yesterday at Typhoon Lagoon. It was actually kind of cool. Like, we were in the wave pool and it just started pouring rain, but there was no lightning, so they let us stay in the wave pool. So that was definitely a fun experience. But yeah, and a bird just almost hit me right now. Craziness. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna take off for the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little adventure of a little bit of a mix of Hollywood Studios and Magic Kingdom. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe on YouTube, because you never know what other random crazy park I'm gonna visit next. Maybe come back here to Magic Kingdom, maybe go to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, maybe go to Hershey Park, maybe go to Funtown Splashtown in Maine. You never know, but either way, there's always another coaster ride every other day. Love you guys, stay safe, beautiful, and amazing.
Jump aboard our rainbow train as the train launches forward and away. Prepare for the G-forces and loops ahead. Along the way, we will be laughing and swimming all the way. Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.